So I'll be showing you how to set mobile data usage limits on your OnePlus 13. So you can actually set a cap of mobile data for your particular SIM card so that the usage does not go above a certain limit, whether it's a daily limit or a monthly limit. Go to settings. Under settings, go to mobile networks, tap on that, and then scroll down to data usage, tap on that, and then choose which SIM card you want to set a usage limit for. So for instance, if I want that SIM card, I can just come here and make sure it's selected, because this is a dual SIM setup. So I can choose either of the SIM cards, and then now I can come here and select data usage limit. So I can tap on that, and then I can choose whether I want to set a daily data usage limit or a monthly data usage limit. So let me pick monthly because I normally buy my data in monthly limits. And then first go ahead and enable that, and then choose set the limit. So for instance, I want 30 gigs limit because my monthly subscription is 30 gigs. So I'll select 30, and then I'll change MB to GB. Okay, and then you can choose whether you want alerts when data limit is reached. Do you want your phone to send you an alert, or send alert and turn off mobile data? Now personally, I would want it to only send alert, and I'll choose whether I want to turn off the mobile data or not. And then also you can set a warning. So you can choose, if you enable this, to remind me if the data usage reaches the set value. So let's say I want it to cap at 30. I can choose to be warned at about 25. So I can select 25 GB. So that means when my data gets to 25 GB and I only have 5 GB left, then my phone will warn me that I'm approaching my usage limit for mobile data. So once I set all that up, I can tap on done, and that is basically how to set mobile data usage limit. Now I've chosen monthly limit. You can choose daily if you want to, but that is basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips. It really helps the channel out, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.